Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This isn't about losing 20 pounds in 10 days or some magic pill nonsense. This is about creating sustainable habits that give you real results while actually feeling good in your body. I'm going to share 7 game-changing strategies that work with your body, not against it. And the best part? You'll have more energy, better sleep, and feel more confident by day 3. In this video, you'll have everything you need to start your transformation today. Strategy number 1, the 16 to 8 magic window. Okay, let's start with the foundation that changed everything for me: intermittent fasting. Specifically, the 16 to 8 magic window 8 method. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't that just starving yourself? Absolutely not. Here's what I do. I eat all my meals within an 8-hour window, let's say 12 p.m. to 8 p.m., and fast for 16 hours. But here's the secret. Most of that fasting time is while you're sleeping. When I first tried this, I was shocked. Instead of feeling hungry and cranky, I had this incredible mental clarity and energy. My body finally had time to burn stored fat instead of constantly digesting food. Start easy. If you normally eat breakfast at 8 a.m., try pushing it to 10 a.m., then 12 p.m. over a few days. During your fasting window, drink plenty of water, black coffee, or herbal tea. Trust me, by day 3, you won't even miss that early breakfast. Strategy number 2, protein power at every meal. This next strategy is what kept me from feeling hungry and losing muscle mass. I made sure to get at least 25 to 30 grams of protein at every single meal. Here's why this works like magic. Protein keeps you full for hours, boosts your metabolism by up to 30%, and preserves your muscle while you're losing weight. When I wasn't getting enough protein, I'd be ravenous by 3 p.m. and reaching for whatever junk food I could find. My go-to breakfast became a 3-egg omelet with spinach. That's about 25 grams right there. Lunch was a big salad with grilled chicken or salmon. Dinner, lean beef or fish with vegetables. Pro tip: prep your proteins on Sunday. Cook a big batch of chicken breast, hard-boiled eggs, and maybe some fish. When hunger hits, you're ready with the good stuff instead of grabbing processed snacks. Strategy number 3, the veggie volume hack. This strategy literally lets you eat more food while losing weight faster. I call it veggie volume loading, and it saved me from feeling deprived. Here's what I discovered. You can eat massive amounts of non-starchy vegetables for very few calories. I'm talking spinach, broccoli, cauliflower, zucchini, bell peppers, cucumber. The works. I started making my plates 50% vegetables, and suddenly I was eating these huge, satisfying meals for fewer calories than my old tiny portions of processed food. Plus, all that fiber keeps you full and helps with digestion. My favorite trick? Spiralize zucchini instead of pasta, cauliflower rice instead of regular rice, and massive salads as the base for every lunch. You'll be amazed how full and satisfied you feel while the pounds just melt off. Strategy number 4, hydration transformation. This one's so simple but so powerful. I started drinking 16 ounces of water as soon as I woke up, and another 16 ounces before each meal. Here's what happened. I stopped mistaking thirst for hunger, my energy levels skyrocketed, and I naturally ate less at meals because I wasn't coming to the table dehydrated and ravenous. But here's the game changer. I added a pinch of sea salt and lemon to my morning water. This supports your adrenals and gives you natural energy without caffeine crashes. By day 5 of proper hydration, people were asking me if I'd done something different to my skin. That's because when you're properly hydrated, everything works better. Your metabolism, your digestion, even your mood. Track your water intake for the first few days. You'll be shocked how little you were actually drinking before. Strategy number 5, smart carb timing. Now, I'm not anti-carb. I'm anti-stupid carb timing. This strategy alone helped me lose those stubborn last few pounds that wouldn't budge. Here's what I learned. Eat your carbs around your workouts and earlier in the day when your body can actually use them for energy instead of storing them as fat. So, I'd have my sweet potato or quinoa at lunch, especially on workout days. By evening, I focused on protein and vegetables. This way, my body burned through those carbs during the day and tapped into fat stores overnight. The difference was incredible. I stopped getting that 3 p.m. energy crash, slept better at night, and woke up feeling leaner every morning. Your body becomes this efficient fat-burning machine when you time your fuel right. Strategy number 6, movement that doesn't feel like punishment. Forget spending hours on the treadmill feeling miserable. I discovered that short bursts of movement throughout the day were way more effective and actually enjoyable. My secret weapon? 10-minute movement breaks every few hours. Maybe it's bodyweight squats while watching TV, a quick walk around the block, or even dancing to my favorite songs in the living room. I also added 15 minutes of strength training every other day. Just basic moves like push-ups, squats, and planks. Nothing fancy. No gym required. The magic isn't in the intensity, it's in the consistency. These little movement snacks keep your metabolism fired up all day long. Plus, when exercise feels good instead of like torture, you actually stick with it. By day 7, I was looking forward to my movement breaks. They became my stress relief and energy boost rolled into one. Putting it all together, your 10-day action plan. All right, let's make this super practical. You don't need to implement all 7 strategies at once. That's a recipe for overwhelm and failure. Days 1 to 3. Start with intermittent fasting and proper hydration. Get used to your eating window and drink that water. Days 4 to 6. Add the protein focus and veggie volume loading. Your plates should look completely different by now. Days 7 to 10. Layer in smart carb timing, consistent movement, and that sleep routine. I promise you, if you follow this progression, you'll see changes by day 3, feel amazing by day 7, and be down several pounds by day 10. But more importantly, you'll have the foundation for lasting transformation, motivation, and closing. Here's what I want you to remember. Those 10 days aren't just about the weight you'll lose. They're about proving to yourself that you can change, that you are worth investing in, and that sustainable results are absolutely possible. 3 years ago, I was stuck in this endless cycle of starting and failing. I'd tried everything and nothing stuck. I remember thinking, maybe I'm just not built for this. But these 10 days changed everything. Not because they were perfect, but because they showed me I could actually follow through on something good for myself. By day 3, I wasn't obsessing about food anymore. By day 7, I had more energy than I'd felt in years. By day 10, I knew something had shifted permanently. That was just the beginning of my 40-pound transformation, but it all started with proving to myself that I was worth 10 days of effort. And you are worth it too. I don't care if you failed before. That doesn't define you. What matters is that you're here right now, ready to try something different. If this video sparked something in you, smash that like button and subscribe for more real, practical weight loss content. Drop a comment and tell me which strategy you're going to try first. I read every single one and I'm cheering you on. Your transformation starts now. I believe in you more than you believe in yourself right now, and I can't wait to hear about your results. See you in the next video.